So I really wanted to point out this fancy lighting in here. I thought that was really sick. Check out this restaurant. And I realized that those were all little globes. And I'm at the airport. Check it. We out here. I'll be flying Southwest also. That might be my plane. We don't know. Yo, what's going on, everybody? We out here, LYV. I'm at the DIA airport in Denver. So I'm about to go to Phoenix. It's gonna be sick. Yeah. We out here, bro. What's going on, man? Okay, I'm actually vlogging, bro. You wanna be in the vlog?
Yeah, I'm in the vlog, bro. I vlog too, bro. I got the YouTube channel. I swear I put my camera in my back. And you got the dope tripod. What's your name?
I'm Drew, bro.
Drew? E. Morris, man. E. Morris,
nice to meet you, Morris.
You be following No Jumper?
Love advertising, dude.
I ride BMX, bro. So like that's my thing. You see all my BMX stuff. You out here in Denver?
Yeah. Are you?
You got a cross on your hand.
I do, bro.
I got a cross right here, my dude.
Bro.
Let's go.
Hell yeah.
What's up, hey, yo, yeah, I'm out here in Denver, dog. I'm what's up back. What's up, bro?
Hell yeah.
Take care.
Yeah. Got it on camera, bro.
Already.
So it's always fun trying to redo vlogs. We out here. Shout out Morris. We're gonna link up.
Well, nothing tells a lady. Giant phone brought to you.
Yo, what's going on? We out here. This is the vlog. Show me around your brand new house, Mom.
That's my TV.
Okay.
My kitchen.
Oh, just stepped on a cat.
That's cat. That's patio.
There you go. And then, no.
Homie right. With your homies.
Mom, say a skillet. Really loud.
Skillet.
That was lit. Camera's getting wet, Mom. Go. So, this is where you come every day, huh? To what? Am I allowed to film? I don't really care.
This is my food palace.
You filming at the Aviano. I don't know what an Aviano is. Desert Ridge.
Oh, please enter.
Oh. Look at this art.
You can hang out here.
Please don't film art. We out here. Get it! Gang, gang. Yeah. Let's go check out the pool.
Normally,
Oh crap. I just got poked by some flowers.
and they do like Easter bunny.
Can you have like parties over here?
Yeah.
Is that a golf course? No, that's a big park.
No, it's a huge park and everybody walks and plays soccer. And
That's cool. Oh, okay, that building is kind of cool.
Duh.
A little fire. So little did you know I actually worked at a Desert Ridge mall.
Oh, we're going out. And
So
then-
I actually used to work at that Tilly's right there. But it's hidden by trees.
You know what? I don't know what time the snow is, but I don't see anyone over there.
Alright, so people from Colorado, this is palm trees, and then people, this is winter coats, but I don't see any snow.
You go south to left. And watch out. Rounded up together in the snow.
Yo, I'm gonna go film with this bear.
The line at the fence is waiting to go play on the small mound of snow in the parking lot. True. Look it. See the line?
Oh my gosh!
So we're going to end our show with a family dance-off, and we have an amazing prize.
Oh, the snow!
Hello, Maserati boy.
You're gonna run into the poor Maserati. Oh my god. Oh my god, Mom. Alright, day 2, AZ. What are we doing? I don't know what we're doing. We're not going to Barrett, but...
We're staying out of the snow, yo.
Yo, I just found out it snowed in Colorado. To all you homies that are dealing with that, that's cool. We out here and it's a bright and beautiful day.
Look at that car.
Alright. What's up? What's going on?
Just driving behind this Audi, yo. There was a cool spacesuit thing for you to get back there too.
A spacesuit?
Yeah,
Why would I want to wear a spacesuit?
you get in it. We'll go back
For what reason? Like a spacesuit you put on?
No, it's on the sidewalk and you get behind it.
Oh, that's fun.
It's a
Like a
dentist
hole?
office.
It's like a hole you put your face through?
Grandma E went bald because she wore wigs.
She say she a college girl, but left her books on the shelf. She gon' fuck me like a porn star.
Listen to this song. Do you know Riff Raff? Yo, we out here, Riff Raff listening.
German jack-o'-lantern with the Burberry pattern. Swap and switch blades, chop block like Kincaid. Out of
Take flight while they clipping my wings. Goofy ass niggas see you tripping again with nothing.
You guys, this is my grandma's new car. Check it out. It's the Beamer family.
Cute he is though.
What you doing, bro?
Do you love it?
I don't. Catching the shuttle right now. Just got this new freaking shirt. We in the sick ass shuttle right now. Hey, mom, say hi. What's going on? We out here. Yo, you guys, these are real. Like, these are actually signed by these people. It's pretty crazy. They're actually signed.
Wow, here's what we now.
Look at that. You want to Breaking Bad? Vin Diesel? We out here. Guys, we are definitely out here. Check this out. It's crazy.
Thank you. 6,000. Now bunch of turbos, falls, rockets ready to go. The thing goes high. 2 vehicles since it was manufactured. Original owner had presented license in Arizona in 1982. Very low mileage drew.
This is actually where all the cars are going in to go in auction.
It's like a thousandth of the size.
So now we are, ooh, check out that CUDA over there, you guys. I'm gonna go zoom in real quick because I'm a big fan of CUDAs. Oh my gosh, look at that turbo, you guys. So we're definitely out here. Definitely gonna be probably the highlight of the video. I'm out here with my mom. I'm gonna see if I could make like a little, like a cinematic edit. Probably not. But my mom's checking this car out because it's green probably. We're out here. There's a couple Lambos in the back. Definitely some sick cars out here. Just came back from the auction. Just kidding. So like I said, every time I have to do a new clip, I get more energized. We out here. Okay, check this out. 300ZX LS3 swap. Check that out. Isn't that sick? Would you just look at that? And you know what? My favorite thing about these cars, all these cars are immaculate. This one, not so much. You know, you got a little bit of a taillight crack over here. But damn, I would love to hear this thing start up. That thing would be so sick. We are definitely out here. When I say we out here, we are definitely out here. So this is so sick. I'm gonna find my mom. Mom, what are you looking at? The 300ZX. Definitely by far my favorite car out here. LS swap. Rows on rows and rows of cars out here. Alright, so my mom's gonna go stand in the sun. The biggest thing about vlogging is, especially if you're in the public, people look at you funny and they're like, oh, this guy was just talking to my mom, and was like, oh yeah, he's definitely talking to himself. I was like, yeah, that's true. We got the yellow M3 over here. It's pretty clean. I would definitely want an M3, but if I were to get a yellow M3, it would be the Takar yellow, which is actually a little bit of a paler yellow. Are you gonna yell a skid it as loud as you can?
No.
1,
No.
2. Fine then, I will. A skid it! Do you like the patina look on these cars? It's almost like they clear coated it. Looks like they might need to do a little bit more body work right there, and over there, a lot actually. But people dig this patina look, so pretty much they just clear coat over it to protect the rust, I guess, huh? That's a weird kind of thing to do. So what's your favorite car so far, Mom? This one?
Z28, that looks like Burt Reynolds inside.
Yo, you guys, what if I dailied this guy over here? It's all like slammed and stuff. I already drive a slammed car, might as well drive a slammed dually trailer thing, right? What do you guys think? Think I should drive this as a daily? You gotta be more passionate every time you have to retake, like, re-say what you just said.
There was a car in there getting fit on it, no one would fit on it because the engine was smoking.
That's funny.
Look at this car.
What kind of car was it that was smoking?
It was a 51 Ford.
It was a 51 Ford.
Isn't that the Back to the Future door?
No. Which one? No, I don't see any DeLoreans over here.
Oh, my neighbor had all these cars.
He had this one?
No, this blue.
And that one. Which neighbor?
I like that Ferrari.
You like it over here better? Like where it's all chill? Ooh, would you drive that Power? I feel like I saw that last year. How do you guys feel about this car? Would you guys see this car in Longmont? It's got 6 wheels. Look at this. This is insane. We are definitely out here. This is a vlog you guys should definitely check out. It's gonna be pretty sick. It's gonna be fire. Look at this. Where else are you gonna see this? Are you guys gonna see this in Colorado? I don't think so. Or Longmont even? Maybe Colorado, but definitely not Longmont. So all my Longmont homies, I hope you guys check out this vlog. This is definitely lit. We got this one over here. All these cars. It's gonna be sick. Damn. 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 I'm definitely down with this Impala here. This thing is tight. The loudest car here. I love the airbrushing. I love the supercharger. It's super sick. This thing, of all cars here, I would definitely like to hear this one start up, so that's pretty cool. Ooh, check it, you got this little guy here. Bump in, take that camping or something. Got a matching trailer over there. I feel like I'm in a nice open area. I can do some sick vlogging stuff, like, oh yeah, check it out, oh, we out here. I don't know really what to say, but. So that's really wacky, guys. See all these cars over here? You see all that? So they got it all blocked off for some reason because they're all sold apparently. I don't get that. I get it sold or whatever, but it's not like people are gonna like treat them any different. I don't know.
Will Ferrell was hanging out talking to people.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So Will Ferrell's like a super cool dude. If you guys are Will Ferrell fans, come here. He's a baseball fan.
He played third base.
He played third base while he's here?
Field.
But like 2 seconds ago, he was just in the public, huh? Just hanging out?
After.
Oh, after the fact. That's cool. Okay, so we're at the Salt River Fields here in Arizona. This is actually, for all my Colorado friends, this is where the Rockies practice, I guess, at some of these fields. But this is also the Diamondbacks where they play. I figured I'd go out in these stands. The fact that I can yell, "Let's get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it!" I thought that's pretty cool. If they could yell, "Let's get it," that'd be so lit. Like, look at those people over there. Say, "Let's get it, please." That's crazy. Do some workout. So we're pretty much the auction was right over there, and now we're over here at these fields. We're just kind of just like improvising and doing crazy stuff. Go like this, maybe a little bit. Go, oh yeah, we got here. This is the biggest thing from this whole thing. Check that out. Authentic. Look at this. Authenticity.
It's like Tony Versetti when you ride around in my city though. Niggas moving heavy, shit looking around like a merry-go. Never was the problem, but being a local was seminal. Faking that you with it will.
LIV.